let's define a function called keyword arguments. Okay, so let's say the function name is keyword args. Okay, and what it will take is it will take this, okay, keyword arguments. So copy this, okay, and paste it here. Okay, so whenever the function definition, okay, will take this as parameter star k wargs, which is keyword arguments. Okay, the compiler will automatically understand, okay, that keyword arguments will be passed. So now what we are going to do is inside this function, okay, we will print, okay, whatever is passed, okay, inside this. And you already know, right, keyword argument means, okay, there will be a key and value. Okay, key value will be passed. So it's like a dictionary, right? Key value pairs will be passed. So to print key value pairs, what you can do, you can say for key comma value, okay, in kwargs dot items, okay, put a colon, and now you have to print the value. So how will you print? Okay, so you have to print the key and value pair. So it will be, let's say %s is the key is equal to, or you can say %s is equal to %s, okay, and here you can give like this %key comma value. Okay, so this is how you can print the value of the key and the value. Okay, each item that you will be passing here will be a key value pair. Okay, and you can print the value, okay, using this. So let me call this function now. So keyword arguments, let's copy and let's paste, and let's say we are passing a is equal to, say, maths, okay, b is equal to English, and let's say c is equal to geography. Okay, so we have passed three arguments, okay, which are key values. Okay, a is storing maths, b is storing English, and c is mapping to geography. So now what we will do is, let's save our program and let us run this and see. It is printing a is equal to maths, b is equal to English, and c is equal to geography, right? So this is how we use the keyword arguments. Now let's, okay, add another element and let's see that it's working fine. Let's say history. Let's save our program. Let's clear and run it. So you see, A is maths, B is English, C is geography, and D is history. So whatever you are passing here, okay, as key value pair, it is being taken here, okay, and for each element, okay, you can say inside this, okay, we are printing the key values. Now, for example, I know that, my function is going to take some more arguments, okay. Say, for example, it takes a string, okay, which is name of the class, okay. So class can be, say, 8th A or 7th B, whatever. So I will take a string, okay, say 8A, okay, which will basically represent the class name, okay. So I am passing 8A here, okay, and I'm not passing, as you see, any key value pair, okay. I'm just passing an extra parameter. You can pass one more, okay, say 7B, okay. So now these two extra parameters we have taken. But now keyword arguments, okay, what they will take, okay, so you have to be very careful. Now if you will execute this, right, let me clear this and show it to you. So command S and let's run it. So you see their type error has come. Why? Because keyword arguments takes 0 positional arguments but 2 were given. So these positional arguments, okay, are not allowed in keyword arguments. Keyword arguments format is like this, okay, you have to give key value pair. So now what we can do is, okay, these two extra arguments that we want, okay, you can store it as variables here. So let's say S1 and S2, okay, these are two variables, okay. Now S1, okay, will be mapped to 8A will be mapped to S1. So S1 will be storing 8A and S2 will be storing 7B. So you can also like print it and check it. So you can say print what is the value of S1. So you can say S1 is equal to, and let's say S1, and similarly you print what is the value of S2, okay, S2 is equal to S2. So now we know what are these two arguments, okay. When we will run this program, we will come to know. So save our program and let's clear this and let's run it. So you see S1 is 8A, S2 is 7B, and everything after that, okay, is mapped as keyword arguments, okay, and they are being printed by the for loop. Okay, so this is how we implement keyword arguments, okay, in Python. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.